today we are doing winter plants activity. Okay, these are our winter plants. Okay, what is this? Vinca.
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 Plata.
Very good. What is this? Chrysanthemum. What is this?
Salvia.
Very good. What is this?
Rose.
Very good. What is this? Calendula.
Candela.
Calendula. Very good.
Dantas.
Very good. These are our winter plants. Clapping. Clap for winter plants. We have to grow plants during the winter season and get more and more oxygen. They are very beautiful. Okay, you have to grow plants at home. Very good. Last is clapping again. Very good. Clap.